Alright guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to explain to you how to add supplier to your LimaPay invoice system. So to add supplier, we need to go from our sidebar, then we go to supplier page, the supplier button. Okay, so when you click the button, then you will see the list of your supplier on your screen. So currently now we do not have any supplier. So to add a new supplier, we just click on create new, and then we put our supplier name. So our supplier is still electronics electronics. Okay, so then the contact names can be James Author. Then the phone number, you need to put your supplier phone number. Okay, then office number if you have, then if you don't have, you can leave the rest. So your supplier is taking which payment method, is it cash or credit? So then you set this as active. So let's key in the address. Country will be Malaysia and the state will be Kuala Lumpur. Okay, so and the city also will be Kuala Lumpur. And then the postcode, we can make it so we don't have for Kuala Lumpur postcode here, so we just leave it like this. Then you click on save changes, and this will save your supplier information. Okay, so now as you can see on my screen, we have the supplier information. So if you want to edit, you can click on the edit button. Then if you want to delete also, you can delete the supplier information. Okay, so this is how to add supplier to LimaPay. So why do we add supplier to this LimaPay invoice system? So for example, if we go to inventory, so let's say product list, then if you want to add a product, so as you can see from down here, we have default supplier. So you need to select the supplier that sells this product to you. Okay, so that is the reason why we add supplier to the system. Alright, so this will help you to track your supplier history, your purchase history, and then to know your supplier. Alright, see you in the next video. In the next video, we are going to talk about how to add a sales team, and then we add a new client, which is our customer, and then from then we can start generating our invoice. Okay, alright, see you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.